A theater festival dubbed as Teatro highlights Silliman University's celebration of this year's National Arts Month. This series of theatrical performances will be staged by students from literature classes and the Speech and Theater Department of the College of Performing and Visual Arts. Silliman University Cultural Affairs Officer Jomar Abrillo says the celebration is important as it unites the nation in celebrating the richness of the Philippine culture.
The National Arts Month, we're not only the ones celebrating, however, so we unite the nation in celebration of the National Arts Month. So Silliman also has to be part of this.
I think it's actually a really good idea to open up more to the students, to make them aware, to make them more, gain at least a little bit more knowledge on what art is.
The Philippine Arts Festival is a way of showing the rich Filipino culture that is sometimes forgotten by most of us. Eliza Bordeos, Silliman News.